In the present day of world of digitization, it doesn't come as a surprise that applying for a personal loan and getting approved for the same has become fast in the true sense of the word. Personal loans indeed have become a go-to loan in case of emergency financial needs, particularly owing to this very characteristic, that is fast approval. However, no credit history or bad credit history could be the top hassles in availing a personal loan from your chosen lender. So there are a few aspects that you ought to take into consideration if you wish your personal loan application to get processed at the earliest possible. Hey guys, this is Simran for ClearTax, and today I'll be talking about 9 ways that can help you to get your loan approved faster. But before we begin, do not forget to press the bell icon and like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. So let's begin.
The first one is prepare yourself. As easy as it may be to apply for a personal loan, it is essential for you to do your homework in terms of getting to know about the various alternatives available in the market. Not only will it help you compare interest rates and processing fee of the loan offers, but will also aid you in jotting down the documentation required for the same. The second one is check your credit score. Since a personal loan is unsecured in nature, most of the lenders offer personal loans to the applicants with a credit score of 700 or higher. While some lenders approve applications from borrowers with a lower credit score, but in turn levy a high interest rate to stay on the safer side in the case the borrower defaults on the repayment. Hence, it is highly recommended that you apply for a personal loan with high credit score. To ensure this, all you need to do is check your CIBIL score online. The third one is check when you last applied for a personal loan. It is important for you to understand that a quick look at your credit history will let any authorized lender know if you have availed a loan in the past and also if your loan application has been turned down previously. If you have availed a loan in the recent past, it may lead the lender to believe that your financial situation is not ideal and that you are consistently depending on loans for meeting your needs. This may deter the lender from approving your loan application. Hence, make sure that there is at least a 6-month gap between two personal loan applications. The next one is analyze all relevant factors. Regardless of how urgently you need the funds, setting down for the first option that comes your way may not be ideal. It is strongly recommended that you take some time out to analyze your options, not just based on interest rates but also with respect to the processing fee and prepayment penalties levied by different lenders. Having a complete picture of the loan offers will help you pick the one that is the best suited for your needs. The next one is keep your documents ready. Personal loans often require minimal documentation including proof of identity, address proof, employment proof and proof of income along with a passport size color photograph. While these documents can often be conveniently arranged, you must ensure that you have them ready before you approach the lender. This will largely help in swifting loan processing. The next one is ensure a good bank balance. When preparing to apply for a personal loan, make sure that your average bank balance in the past 6 months is equal to or more than twice your expected EMI. This will assure the lender of your strong financial discipline and encourage them to process your loan swiftly. The next one is exhibit stability. While it greatly helps if you have been working for your current organization for over 6 months, however, if that's not the case, make sure that at least you have been in the same field of work for over 1 to 2 years. Owing to the fact that a personal loan is unsecured and barefoot of any collateral, the lenders are usually more inclined to approve applicants with a steady stream of income and the ability to repay the loan. The next one is do not apply to more than one lender. In times of emergencies, it is understandable that you are desperate to procure the loan amount at least at the earliest possible. To this end, you might feel tempted to apply to more than just one lender simultaneously. However, you must realize that each lender will check your credit history and the multiple loan applications will reflect on your credit report. The lenders will deem this credit-hungry behavior as a red flag and will turn down your application, which in turn will result in an unwanted blow to your score. The last one is choose an apt loan amount. The lender will analyze your income and repayment ability before approving your loan application. Hence, you should only apply for an amount that you can efficiently pay off within the agreed tenure. Ideally, your personal loan EMI should not exceed 40% of your monthly income. Hence, you should calculate the EMI on your expected loan amount using a personal loan EMI calculator. If your EMI exceeds 40% of your monthly earnings, you should either lower the loan amount or ask for a longer tenure. Choosing an ideal loan amount and tenure will help in speeding up the loan approval and disbursal.
We hope that you are now aware of some of the simple yet truly effective ways to ensure instant approval of your personal loan application. Well, this was it for today's video. Let us know what you think about the video and comment below if you have any doubts. We will try to reply to it as soon as we can. Stay tuned to our channel for more informative videos like these. Till then, goodbye and take care.